Hey guys, we've updated our online shopping experience, especially for our subscribers. They're now able to log into the website and get their 10% subscriber discount along with all our other discounts. So it's quite easy to do. You need to obviously go to our website, artcanvasfactory.com. Once you're at the website, you'll see on the top right it says login. Click the login button. You need to put in your email address that you've obviously registered the account with. Once you put your email address in, it's going to ask for verification to make sure that you're not a robot. Go through the verification process. It's going to send you an email with a code. Copy the code and then paste the code in, click enter, and then it's going to open up to your account. Now what's nice about this is that you can see all of your previous purchases, and then from there you can click onto the store, and you'll notice in the top right it says my account. Now you know you've logged in. Happy shopping, guys.